What if one tool could explain every KPI change across every industry? Revenue is up, margin is down. Conversion rate just changed. Which product, channel, or driver actually caused it? Traditional variance analysis answers one question well: how values change. But many KPIs aren't values, they're percentages, rates, and ratios. WaterfallBridge, one framework for every kind of KPI. Track a value change such as increase in revenue. Explain a percentage, margin sliding 2.6 points. Or a rate change, conversion lifting from 4.8% to 5.6%. Same framework, reconciled to the last decimal. Here's where it goes further. Most tools stop at the value bridge. But WaterfallBridge goes further. It can break down percentage changes all the way to the detailed level. Finance: why did margin drop to 0.6 points? Marketing: what lifted conversion to 5.6%? E-commerce: which SKU hurt profit? Insurance, operations, SaaS. Same framework, same answer. One tool, every industry. Upload your data. Pick a metric and dimensions. Build the bridge. Key drivers in minutes, not days. Or skip all of that, just ask the built-in AI in one sentence. No uploads, no field setup. It runs the whole analysis for you. And explains the drivers with actions to take. Find what really moved your KPI. WaterfallBridge, faster analysis, smarter strategy.